let's create. So we have here pork chop. This one is about a little bit of an inch thick, bone in. And I'm going to show you how to marinate this so when you cook it, it's going to be tender. You might want to do this about maybe 3-4 hours before you cook or overnight like I'm doing right now. And I'm going to show you here quickly. Salt. Pepper. And I take up a black pepper here. Do the same on the other side. Flip it. Now you're going to put this in a Ziploc bag. And you put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. A few drops. Not a lot, just a few drops, see? A little bit of vinegar. You know, like this cap, just a little bit. Not a lot. And what the vinegar does, it's going to break the protein of the pork. It's going to break it out. And by doing that, kind of water or moisture goes in between. And that's what made the pork tender when you cook it the next day or in a few hours. I'm going to put some oregano. And I got the fresh type. See, oregano. Going to put a bay leaf. You can put a little bit more salt. Mix things up. And then after you mix things up well, what you're going to do is you're going to close this. You're going to centralize the flavors, and you do that by folding this up. Take it out. You fold this out so the flavors doesn't expand, just stay in the same area. And you tie this up, you know, you put a little string and put it aside in the refrigerator until you're ready to cook it. See how beautiful? So I have this out in the refrigerator for about maybe 30-45 minutes. Get it to atmospheric or room temperature. Going to get it out here. I'm going to start cooking this baby. So I'm preheating this pan, and I'm going to put some vegetable oil. You can use any type of oil, but I'm going with vegetable. And I'm going to add this baby in. Once again, it's a little bit over an inch, which means that's, and you have to cook it, you know, you cannot have it raw, so you have to cook it. So I would say I'm going to estimate maybe about 5 minutes on one side, and we see what happens in the other. Around the same amount of time on this side.